If you ever get nostalgic thinking about the wedgies that your big brother gave you, well, then you know better than anyone else that the family that pranks together stays together.
Brady, get in here.
In Brady's house, every doorway is a potential bath.
Oh, are you serious?
Nothing bonds a family together more than a game of stabby balloon.
There you go.
That's one.
Oh, man.
Mama's just wicked with a knife.
Two.
Nang maparamdam mo sa kanya na binibili mo siya, alam mo nakaka-insulto yun, Kian eh. Ano akala mo sa akin? Mabibili mo ako ng ganun-ganun lang?
What is that? Yeah, we gotta go woogity boogity.
Boogie, boogie.
When you are indoctrinated early into the world of pranks by your family, it becomes an unquenchable thirst. You find that you've developed a need to prank.
Nang maparamdam mo sa kanya na binibili mo siya, alam mo nakaka-insulto yun, Kian eh. Ano akala mo sa akin? Mabibili mo ako ng ganun-ganun lang?
This prank is not for the squeamish. I think she pierced her tongue, and not in the good way.
Kristen! Oh my God, Kristen, stop. Kristen, hold still. Kristen, hold still. I'm going to get it.
So get it!
No!
Nang maparamdam mo sa kanya na binibili mo siya, alam mo nakaka-insulto yun, Kian eh. Ano akala mo sa akin? Mabibili mo ako ng ganun-ganun lang?
Kids suit up, we're pranking dad.
Dad has this thing about clowns.
Ayan naman eh, kasi nung manang ako, dami-dami yung sinasabi. Ngayon nagdamit ako ng ganito, may parinig pa din. Ba't ba ako na lang palagi yung target? Reminder ha?